In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the best possible photograph of the world famous Japanese maple tree in Portland, Oregon. Hi, my name is Tim Shields. I'm a landscape photographer living in the beautiful Pacific Northwest, which is the home of the mountains, the rivers, and the waterfalls. And my goal with this YouTube channel is to help you take your photography from good to great. So if you enjoy learning about how to improve your own photography, then please consider subscribing to this channel. In addition, I'm going to give you absolutely free a sample set of my Lightroom profiles for Lightroom CC, and you can get those by clicking the link in the description below. So I'm about to jump in the car with my very good friend and excellent landscape photographer, Chris Collicott, and we are driving to Portland, Oregon. The reason we're going there is because it is the home of the world famous Japanese maple tree. This tree has been shot tens of thousands of times, but it is in peak fall colors today and probably tomorrow. So we're going to drive 6 hours right now, and we're going to shoot the tree and then turn around and drive straight back home. So follow me, let's go. Check the cupboard. Don't need my filters, I don't need this lens, that lens, this, yeah, it's all good. I'm gonna travel light on this one. Hey!
Hey Tim, how's it going?
Good!
You're getting ready for this?
Yeah, let's have a rockin' time.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to capturing that tree.
Let's go. So we just drove through the border and the customs officer asked, so where are you guys going? We're going to Portland. Oh, what's in Portland? Because we're going to take a picture of a tree. What, you're going to drive all the way down to Portland to take a picture of a tree? And yeah, we are. And then we got the evil eye, the stare. Anyway, we're in the United States of America. Yippee. We made it! 6 hours of driving and we're in Portland safe and sound. So it's lights out now, and then 10 a.m. the park opens in the morning, which means we get to sleep in. Super rare occurrence on a photography trip. And hopefully by 10:15 a.m. we have the shot that we want. And then it's jump back in the car and drive right back home. So that's it. Tomorrow, it's the shot. Okay, this is the day. We're on our way now to the Japanese gardens. So it's looking like these Japanese gardens where we're heading to are most likely completely fog covered.
You have arrived.
We have arrived! Okay, we just paid our admission and we just learned that there are 50 photographers in the park already. This is gonna be nuts. It's gonna be like the zombie horde of photographers. It'll be interesting. I just hope that we can get our turn at the base of the tree. It's definitely a lineup. There's such a big lineup behind me, so I feel the pressure to really hustle. Nothing worse than having to take rushed photos. On this one, I want to get the framing of the leaves here. So it's like a frame within a frame, but then of course focus is a big issue. Histogram, oh, perfect on that one. So now it's just really a function of focus, getting the right focus. First focus point will be on this outside edge, outside bottom left corner. And then I'm going to move the focus point into the middle a little bit on the rock, and then onto the trunk. So I'm trying various focuses, various zooms. There's the widest zoom, 14 millimeters, and here's the tightest zoom, 24 millimeters, and I'm just trying them all to see what's going to work out in the end. I also want to make sure that I have some land at the bottom. That green moss with leaves on it looks really cool. Here it comes. This is the photo that we came here to get. Okay, so I've had 2 turns, and I think the lineup is getting close to being an hour long, so I'm done. But now I'm going to walk around this beautiful garden here and see what other photos I can find. I'm sure there's some really great compositions here. There's lots of fall colors. That's one of the problems with being in a place like this, is that you get hung up on this one composition. You're so intent on getting the one shot that you miss the sideshow, and the sideshow is more beautiful than the main show. So I have a saying, shoot the sideshow. Go get the extra shots. Sometimes they're more beautiful than the main shots. So seeing these fish just gave me a great idea. Actually, it's inspired by a fantastic landscape photographer named Aaron Reed. He's based out of Seattle, Washington. And he took a really long exposure shot of fish just like these ones, maybe even at this particular place. He put a really dark filter on his camera so that the shutter would stay open for a minute or two. I'm going to give it a try and see what the results look like. So this is a different Japanese maple, and you can see what happens if you are a little bit late in the season to photograph it. All the leaves fall off, and this can happen from one day to the next, like during just one rainstorm or one windy day, and the leaves are gone and you lose your chance. So we hit the tree just at the right time. Here's the question of the day. This is an ultra iconic photography location. Every photographer has shot this shot. Is it worth it to come here? Is it worth it to go and shoot a tree where there are already tens of thousands of really fantastic photos of the exact same tree with the exact same composition? What do you think? Would you do it? Would you drive 6 hours to go do it? Or is it kind of a waste of time? Comment below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe. It means a lot to me. Hit the little bell beside the subscribe button, and that way whenever I have a new video, you will be notified of it. I will see you in the next video.